President of Vietnam, To Lam, was in India for an official visit. He came into Delhi yesterday and flew in straight to Bodh Gaya, where he offered his prayers, and then he came back to Delhi this morning and had a bilateral meeting with Prime Minister Modi. There were many memorandums of understanding which were signed on culture, on trade, on bilateral cooperation and partnership. Prime Minister Modi, in his interaction with President Lam, said that the bilateral trade, which stands at 16 billion right now, is slated to increase to 25 billion. There were no specifics on what sectors would enable this trade to go to this level. President Lam also said that there is great connectivity between India and Vietnam. Nearly 80 direct flights connect these two countries every week. So people-to-people ties are steadily improving. He also said that there were talks on defense and security without any elaboration on whether BrahMos, a deal around it, was talked about. President Lam also recounted that India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, went to Vietnam way back in 1954. He also recounted that India began the non-aligned movement and Vietnam was also a partnering country in that. Overall, the relationship between these two countries is booming. Trade is slated to increase and people-to-people contact is also on the ascendant.